So what's going on, guys? This is pretty much just going to be a quick video showing you how to actually start an Amazon account. Literally, that's all this video is going to be about. But before I do that, I want to show you something that I sold in one of my previous videos. I don't know if you're going to be able to get a good look at it, but in one of my previous videos, I found an item. I believe it was some kind of clock. In the video, I even say, "Oh my God, guys, look at the video," and I think I'll show you the ranking, the BSR, and everything. I think the profits was like $300 something. I personally haven't watched the video again, but I'm confident that it was a product and it was prominent, and I only got like 3 videos now at the moment. So in one of those videos, I show like a clock. I think I bought it for $10 or $15 if I'm not mistaken, and it sold yesterday or the day before yesterday for $377. Now, after the fees and everything, I think my profit is literally $300 on the head. I don't know if you're going to be able to get a good look at this because my screen, but right there, that's the clock that got sold, and I listed it, and the price was $377. Can't get a really good view, but you can see the day I listed it was 5/28 of 2019. So it took a little bit longer than I would have liked for it to go, but $300 profit, I'm not even mad at all, to be honest. Like, that's just unbelievable. So yeah, but now I'm get into showing you guys. Oh, there it is. You get even a better look on my phone. Out of stock because I sold it. And if you go through my phone, maybe you can see the profit at the bottom, 314. That's what it was. Okay, that's the end of that video real quick, guys. But I'm going to go into now talking about how to start an account on Amazon. So yeah, don't mind my wrestling in the background. I'm a big wrestling fan. So pretty much you're going to go to the Amazon.com, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just go to Amazon.com. And then when you go to Amazon.com, you're going to see in the top left-hand corner, the tabs. Just click on the little tab and then just go all the way down until you find see all programs and features. Once you find see all programs and features, just keep continuing going down until you find the sell on Amazon. Bam. And once you click on sell on Amazon, it's going to tell you about all the great things Amazon can do for you. And then simply click start selling. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. And once you do that, it'll start asking for your email account, your address, and all that. It's easier if you already have an Amazon account or Amazon Prime account because they already have a lot of information saved, so they'll probably approve your account immediately. I personally got my account approved kind of quickly my first time. My second account, I believe, got it approved instantly as well. I hear about some people it takes about 3 or 4 days, some people 2 or 3 weeks. But once you go through it, they're going to ask you all your information. They're going to ask, of course, email, passwords, all that good stuff. They're going to ask you to link a card, a bank account, because obviously you need a bank account so they can put money into your account. As far as getting paid on Amazon, first thing you do need to know, you're going to get paid like every 2 weeks, so it is like a normal check. Your very first payment may take like 4 weeks to come because they want to make sure you're building enough inventory, and just in case if anything goes wrong, they have enough money in order to cover them if you bail out or if you send bad products in or anything happens and they need to give the customers money back. So I've been doing it for a while. I want to say a while now, but really going kind of hard since the past few months, and it's not even as hard as I want to. Again, I work a full-time job, so on my days off, I usually go in, and one day I'll rest, one day I'll do a bunch of sourcing. So that's pretty much how you get started on Amazon. If you want to find out how to start scanning items, you can click one of the links below and find out on another of my videos. You can actually see me going out and finding certain items. One of the items that you'll see me find is one of the items that was like $15 and I made like $300 profit. That was probably honestly my biggest thing. One last year, I think I found a painting for like $20 and I sold it for like a few hundred, but I don't know. But there's just a few items making a mess, like this, for example. I showed you earlier in one of the videos. I don't know if I linked the same video, but this right here cost me $5, but it's potential to sell for $70. Of course, I'm gonna say potential because it's not guaranteed to be sold yet. But again, that's a chance I'm willing to take. I'm willing to use $5 to see if it's gonna make me 70. I think my profit would have been 55 though after they take their fees. Now it's time for me to go, but as you can see, I personally have a bunch of stuff that I need to send in, and I'm about to do a little tutorial on how to do all that in another video. So if you want to catch up with me, just click on another link below. And I'm telling you guys, man, take a good chance on doing this. It's really, really profitable. I can kind of see a difference the weeks that I go hard and the weeks I didn't. There was like a week where I really didn't do it at all, maybe like a 2 or 3 week period where I thought my account was going to really pretty much go away, so I didn't do any shopping, I didn't do anything. And that check from that week, you can really, really feel the difference. My checks are pretty decent. I mean, I want to say I make what some, I would say a fast food restaurant make. That's how I go source. But my next check is almost going closer to the hundreds, almost $1,000 mark, and I've never had that before. Yesterday was my biggest day in sales. Like I said, it was like $400 something, and that's just because of that one clock. But I do have a lot of good days. I'm starting getting away from buying like dollar items just to make $1. Now I'm buying dollar items to make $20, $30. I'm buying $5 and $6 items to make $20 and $30, $40, $50. But if you want to learn some more of that stuff, just follow me in my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and enjoy.